Welcome, y'all. It's just math, and we are going to be looking at special cases tonight. Today, we're going to do special cases number two. I've already done special cases number one, special cases number two. Just a refresher, we've done GCF grouping and trinomials, and now we're doing special cases. We have to look at two terms. Okay, so special cases number two is called a sum or difference of cubes. Sum or difference of cubes. Now your handout has all your cubes on them, but I decided to put them on here just so you can see them. These are the numbers that we call perfect cubes. All right, so we're going to be looking for problems with these numbers and exponents of 3. So these are perfect cubes. We've got sum or difference. Remember, on the squares, we could only do a difference. But on the sums, we can do a sum or a difference. And the formulas are basically the same with just some sign differences. Okay? So, when you have the sum of cubes, the formula is going to be a plus b, and then we have the a squared, and then a minus right there, ab plus b squared. And when we have a difference, we've got that sign and this one. So it's the same sign and then the opposite sign and then positive. This is the same sign, the opposite sign, and then this one's positive. Okay? All right. So here we go. So this one's a plus. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite. This is x to the third, and we're going to rewrite the 8 as 2 to the third. Okay, so now we're going to get ready for our formula. Notice we just drop the little 3's. Just drop the little 3's. Okay, and now we're going to do ax to the second, and we need a minus sign. And then we've got x times 2, and then we've got a plus sign. And we've got 2 to the second. Okay, now normally x times 2 is written as 2x, and 2 to the second is 4. And so that's my answer. And it's following straight from the pattern that was up there on the left. All right, another one. This one's a minus, and we're going to use 27, which is 3 to the third. So this is m to the third minus 3 to the third. Okay, so now we're going to drop the little 3's. And then the first one gets a square on it. And then this one we're going to have a plus. And then we're going to do the 2 of them multiplied together. So that'd be m times 3. And then the second we got another plus. And then the 3 to the second. So that's m minus 3. M to the second. Right? Normally when we do m times 3, we do 3m. And then 3 to the second we can change to 9. And that's it. Just got to follow the pattern. All right, let's look at a couple more. All right, now I don't have my sheet in front of me, but I do remember that this is 2 to the third, x to the third, and this one is 7 to the third. Okay, so let me put my formula up here so y'all can see it. This is a plus. It's going to be a plus b. It's going to be a to the second minus ab plus b to the second. Okay, all right, so I drop the little 3's. I get 2x plus 7. All right, now this is what kind of confuses people, is that this one has an A and an A, but this one has two things. Okay, let's just look at the whole thing as an A. So this would be 2x to the second minus 2x times 7 plus 7 to the second. And then we simplify that out. 2x to the second is 4x to the second. And this will be a 14x, it's supposed to be a minus, plus 49. And that's my answer for this one. The box and triangle method, here's an idea. You can put anything in a box and you put anything to a triangle box. Here's my box and triangle method. It's the same formula using box and triangle. We'll do it with the minus so we can have it to the next problem because the next problem is minus. So it would be drop the little 3's, whatever's in the box raised to the second, multiply the box and the triangle together, and then whatever is the triangle raised to the second. Might help. Remember, you can put anything in the box, you can put anything on the inside of the box, and you can put anything on the inside of the triangle. The reason why we do box and triangle is just to say, hey, we got two different things. So let's look at the 16, x to the third minus 54. So now I go to my list, and 16's not in my list. Let me look again. Nope, 16's not in my list. Neither is 54. So what do I do? Well, what is the first thing we're supposed to do that we hadn't done in a while? How about a GCF? Yeah, GCF. Yeah, there's a 2. Let's see, if I take out the 2, then I have 8x to the third minus 27y to the third. Oh, okay. So now there's a 2 that came out, and that's going to be part of my final answer. But it's not part of my problem anymore. It is going to be part of my final answer. Okay. All right, so now the 8 is on my list. So that's 2 to the third, x to the third. It's 3 to the third, y to the third. So basically what I've got in my box is 2x, and in my triangle, 3y. So 2x minus 3y. That's what's in my box, 2x and 3y. Okay. Right, and so now I need my box raised to the second power, 2x to the second, plus the box times the triangle. That'll be a 6xy. And then my triangle, which is 3y, to the second. So that gives me 2x minus 3y, 4x to the second, plus 6xy, plus 9y to the second. Don't forget the 2 that was on the outside. Remember my GCF? So let's final answer everything. Copy it all down one more time just to make it look pretty. Yeah. That's it. Okay, it's just math, y'all. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. We're going to have one more review video, and that'll be it. All right.